About 90 minutes. We heard passionate arguments from both the prosecution and the defense, and then the jury started deliberating right around 11:15 today. Right now, in talking to people and being in this courthouse, there's really this unique feeling almost of calm, really, that after 3 years, this case is finally in the hands of a jury, and we're likely to get a decision one way or another. But before the jury even started its deliberations, before those passionate closing arguments, the judge gave instructions to the jury, telling them to consider both murder and manslaughter, which is a slight wrinkle in the outcome that we could get. The prosecution's closing argument to the jury mentioned Jefferson's hands could not have been in front of her face since there wasn't any glass on her hands. They repeated their common theme that Jefferson did nothing wrong, that she should have been safe in her own home, and they made the case that Dean can't claim self-defense if he created the danger and that he never saw a gun.
That's exactly why this day is so important. Because the sanctity, the safety of our homes has been compromised by what he did. He took her away.
Dean did see. The defense argued that Dean did see a gun, that while Jefferson had rights, those rights ended the moment she pointed her gun at a police officer. They called this whole thing just a tragic accident.
The tragedy should not be compounded by finding guilty a man who was relying on his rights as a police officer and his rights under the laws of the state of Texas.
So at this point, the jury's been deliberating for going on 5 hours at this point. The only thing that we've heard so far is they came in to ask for some Post-it notes and for some of the crime scene photos, some evidence in the case. But at this point, we're on the jury's clock, and we'll stay here as long as they want to keep working. Live in Fort Worth, I'm William Joy.